Welcome to Drones for a Kid.
Today we will be doing an unboxing of the Osmo Mobile 3. Okay, Noah, let's take it out. I'll take out a knife so that we can cut this bad boy open.
That's a bad boy there.
Very nice. And we have purchased the, oh, look at that.
Combo.
The combo, so it comes with an extra carrying case and a tripod. Let's rip this open. Wow, look at that. It's just beautiful. Get this out of here. Okay, and then let's open this box. There's more tape? No, there's not more tape. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Look at
Oh,
huge baby.
oh, look at what it comes with.
What is that?
You got a charging cable. You've got your wrist strap. You've got stickers. You've got this foam padding, which should be nice. Ooh, actually, it's a carrying case. Oh, look at that! Look at that! It's so beautiful. It's to keep it nice and safe. Let's see if I can shake this. Oh yeah, that's probably. Oh, look at that! And you've got a tripod. Look at that. Okay, let's open this. Here comes the bad boy. Oh! Look at that! Look how beautiful that is. Okay, let's test this out. So, I'm presuming that we put this in here, like so. It's saying the phone camera should be right here. So, I'm gonna put it in like this then. Before we get started, it says here that we need to download the DJI Mimo app. So, let's get right to that. Okay, so we open the App Store. Let's go to Mimo. DJI Mimo. Any moment. And verify purchase. And it's downloading.
A few moments later.
So I fiddled around with it a little bit and I think I've gotten it to work. So once you've gotten the Mimo app, you got to activate it by having your Bluetooth on, and you have to make sure you've logged in with your DJI account. So what you do is you hold the M button right here, and then it's gonna make this little sound. It's gonna move around. You're gonna open up your DJI Osmo Mimo app, and here it's gonna start being stabilized. So as you can see here, very stable. So, in order to recenter it, you've got to hit the button right here. So you click it twice, and then it recenters, as you can see here. And now it's working perfectly. So yeah, and let's try the tripod. So you've got to screw it on, I believe. So let's screw that. Screw it on. Ooh. And yeah. Let's recenter it and we can change it to landscape and turn it.
Awesome.
We're gonna put this away. So first step is to unscrew this. Ooh, and it comes right out, and you gotta put it back like this. And then we're gonna take our phone out. So make sure to take your phone out, put that away, and we're gonna fold this in half so it just goes down like so. My brother is gonna put it in the case. No, it's not. Put it in the case, then you close that up.
Close that up. Close that baby up.
Like this. There you go. I believe you put all your extra accessories in here. Tidy that up. And there you have it, folks. This is the Osmo DJI
DJI.
Mobile 3. And I definitely recommend it. Would you recommend it?
Well, yeah, I would recommend it to anybody in the universe.
The link is in the description. Thank you for watching.